All right, we are starting off with 2 cans of our blueberry pie filling. This is gonna be such an easy and yummy dessert. So quick, only 4 ingredients, and you're really gonna love it. Just make sure to get all of that blueberry pie filling out of your cans. We don't want any of it to go to waste. Beautiful. Spread that out in your gorgeous heart pan or whatever size pan you have. A 13 by 9 will work. Now for our second ingredient, we have this cheesecake no bake. Oh my God, you guys know I love this stuff. It is so delicious. It's like gold in my house. And I have a little ice cream scooper, and we are just gonna add little scoops right into our blueberry pie filling. Oh my goodness, this all smells so good already. I personally love blueberry pie filling. It is my favorite pie filling. I think I've really figured it out now. I'm 27 and my favorite pie is blueberry. All right, how does that look, babe?
This is looking delicious. Wow, these flavor combinations.
Just wait, I have one more flavor that's really gonna blow you away. Before we get to that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that spatula and just spread that cheesecake into that pie filling. It doesn't need to be perfect, as long as it's not just big glumps. We want a flat surface for our next ingredient. Oh my goodness, it looks beautiful, it smells beautiful. Look at that gorgeous purple color. It complements our red heart pan just so perfectly. All right, now for our third kind of flavor, blueberry cheesecake lemon. Ooh, my mouth is watering. And we're gonna use this whole box of lemon cake mix, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of that cheesecake blueberry pie filling. And this is gonna just really pull all those flavors together and just make it a delicious dessert for Valentine's or for any time of the year. It's great for spring. Okay, get that whole box on there. Grab your clean hands and kind of just spread that cake mix from edge to edge. This is gonna look so cute in this pan too, and these flavors are really so delicious. I love lemon and blueberry together, and then if you add cheesecake, oh, it becomes my favorite dessert. Okay.
Yeah, who's not gonna love this?
All right, just make sure that cake mix is nice and flat. We're not gonna mix this because this is a dump cake. Perfect. All right, our last ingredient is just some butter, and I just cut our butter into little slices just like this. Now, like I always say, you can use unsalted butter, but I'm using salted butter because I just like the flavors better with it. And we are just placing these butter slices right on top of that cake mix. This is what's gonna make that cake mix a nice crust on top of our pie filling cheesecake mixture. And we're gonna go ahead and cover the whole surface with our butter slices. All right, so we are using a stick and 1/4 of a stick. So, you know, however many cups that is, and place our last one right there. Perfect. Okay, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for 45 minutes. Look how good this came out. Oh my God, that top is nice and crispy. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, that's gonna be delicious, you guys. It smells like blueberry pie in here, and I cannot wait any longer. Let's dig on in. Oh, look at that cheesecake. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need some more blueberry pie filling, the best part of the dish. Oh my gosh. You guys have not had a dump cake like this. Oh, it's life-changing. Lemon, cheesecake, blueberry, heaven. Oh my gosh. That is the best thing I've ever eaten. You guys have to try it.